Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2021 Volkswagen ID.4 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the front lens, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it'll protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. With that being said, let's start with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the entire front panel. So all we need to do is apply Slip Solution to the front lens, and we're going to use a clean microfiber towel to remove any contaminants that the lens may have. So we're going to start by installing this middle section first. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we need to do is just align it right where the edge of the lens is about to end. So right here. Once you have it aligned right on the edge, we're going to apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Make sure to keep it aligned, and with one hand just hold it in position, and then with your other hand grab your squeegee and tack the entire section of this film down, and make sure to remove all the solution that's underneath the film. And then once this is tacked down, you're just going to slowly make your way to this edge. So just take your time, tack down everything slowly, apply just a little bit of pressure. Make sure to remove all the solution underneath the film. Once you've done the soft pass first, then we could apply a little bit more pressure just to help the film tack down to the lens more faster. And now you would just apply heat just to help the adhesive activate faster. And the same steps that were done for this piece, you would repeat it for this one. And then once you're done, you would move on to the next piece. So just apply Tack Solution, apply heat just to help seal the entire film. Okay, so now we're moving on to the last piece of the headlight, which covers this entire lens. So with this one, just apply Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film and Slip Solution to the lens. And we're going to start by placing the film down and aligning it to this edge first. So make sure it stays aligned. And once we have it aligned, we're going to grab our Tack Solution and apply it underneath the film. Place it back down, keep it aligned. Once you have it aligned, grab your Tack Solution and spray it on top. Hold it in position with one hand, and then with the other one, start tightening it down with your squeegee. Make sure you tack down a good amount of the film on this section. That way we're able to continue on working with the rest and stretching the film to that edge. So double check and see if the film moves. If it's not moving, then you should be good. Another thing you can do to help the adhesive activate faster is applying heat around this area. That way it's able to hold on to the headlight more faster. So all you need is just a little bit of heat. Okay, and that should be good. The film shouldn't move. It's on the lens. And now we can move on, stretching the film, making sure it stays aligned until we reach to that end. So all we need to do is apply Slip Solution on this section of the lens, place the film down, help it stretch until we reach just up to this edge here. And to help it stay on the edge, apply just Tack Solution around the edge of the headlight. Stretch it and make sure it stays in position. And as we're holding the film, we're going to apply Tack Solution on the lens. Make sure you're still holding it, and with your squeegee, start tacking down the film. It's important to hold it in place, that way we're able to tack down the film. And to help remove these fingers that are located around this curve, just apply a little bit of heat and the fingers should shrink, and then we'll tack them down with their squeegee. So before you apply heat, apply Tack Solution. Make sure it's still on the edge, because if it moves, then it creates more fingers. So make sure this is tacked down here. If it is, then you should be good. Then we can apply heat. Grab your microfiber towel and wrap it around your squeegee. Make sure it stays aligned and tack it down. So tack it down little by little. And just repeat this process until you remove all the fingers. And make sure to squeegee at an angle, that way we don't accidentally crease the film. Okay, now that we remove the fingers, now we can move on to the last step, which is post-heating the entire front section of the headlight. So the last thing to do is to post-heat the entire headlight. So all you need to do is just apply tack solution on the entire lens. And we're going to use our heat gun to apply heat to the entire headlight. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our magnifier towel just to help tack down the film and also remove any solution that may be trapped underneath the panel. And if there's any film still lifting, let's say around the edges, we'll just help it tack down with our magnifier towel. So once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support, from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2021 Volkswagen ID.4. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you're missing any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.